On a dark early Monday morning, Hurricane Beryl made landfall in Texas as a Category 1 storm, lashing Houston with heavy rains and powerful winds.
In rain like this, it's actually like a monsoon.
As the storm swept ashore, it left a trail of devastation in its wake, knocking out power to 1.5 million homes and businesses. Fast rising waters caused street flooding and prompted numerous rescues. Beryl had already carved a deadly path through parts of Mexico and the Caribbean before turning towards Texas. The storm hit land around 4 a.m., causing high waters to quickly close streets in storm-weary Houston. The nation's fourth largest city was once again under flood warnings after recent heavy storms had already washed out neighborhoods. In the Houston suburb of Humble, one man tragically lost his life when a tree fell on his house, trapping him beneath the debris. This incident was confirmed by Harris County Sheriff's Office Senior Deputy Thomas M. Gilliland. Centerpoint Energy in Houston reported that 1.5 million homes and businesses were without power hours after Beryl made landfall. Flood warnings were in effect across a wide stretch of the Texas coast, where a powerful storm surge pushed water ashore. Further inland, heavy rain continued to fall, exacerbating the flooding situation. Police in the Houston suburb of Rosenberg urged residents to stay off the roads as one of their high water rescue vehicles was hit by a falling tree while returning from a rescue operation. Video footage showed heavy street flooding in the barrier island city of Galveston. Houston was under a flash flood warning for most of the morning as heavy rain continued to soak the city.
Wild. Yeah.
The National Weather Service expected Beryl to weaken to a tropical storm by Monday and a tropical depression by Tuesday. They forecasted a turn to the northeast and an increase in speed by Monday night and Tuesday. The storm center was expected to move over eastern Texas on Monday and then through the lower Mississippi Valley into the Ohio Valley on Tuesday and Wednesday. Beryl's moving inland, but this is not the end of the story yet, said Jack Bevan, a senior hurricane specialist at the National Hurricane Center. More than 1,000 flights were cancelled at Houston's 2 airports, according to tracking data from FlightAware. The impact of Beryl was far-reaching, disrupting travel plans for thousands of people. Hurricane Beryl was the earliest storm to develop into a Category 5 hurricane in the Atlantic, causing at least 11 deaths as it passed through the Caribbean on its way to Texas. The storm ripped off doors, windows, and roofs with devastating winds and a storm surge fueled by the Atlantic's record warmth. In just 1 week, Beryl rapidly intensified 3 times, gaining 35 miles per hour, 56 kph, in wind speed in 24 hours or less, meeting the official Weather Service definition of rapid intensification. Before hitting Mexico, Beryl wrought destruction in Jamaica, Barbados, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines. The storm claimed lives in several Caribbean nations, with 3 people reported dead in Grenada, 3 in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, 3 in Venezuela, and 2 in Jamaica. Survivors recount harrowing tales of survival as the storm battered their homes and communities.
Doing this for 2 hours straight. Jesus Christ.
In the aftermath of Hurricane Beryl, rescue operations and aid distribution were underway in the affected areas. Emergency responders worked tirelessly to provide assistance to those in need, while communities began the long and arduous process of rebuilding and recovery. Hurricane Beryl's journey from the Caribbean to Texas is a stark reminder of the power and unpredictability of nature. As the storm continues to weaken and move inland, the focus shifts to recovery and rebuilding. Our thoughts are with the families affected by this devastating storm, and we extend our gratitude to the first responders and volunteers working to bring relief to those in need. Thank you for watching.
Meu Deus do céu, e a minha avó, Pedro?